Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 19 SPX offered by Sea Ray. As you can see, this is a nice big spacious boat. There's a seat here. There's actually a seat underneath this seat. If you lift that up, there's a dedicated storage spot for a seat to go in that position. If you'd like to lounge out, here in the bow, it's a nice spacious area. You got storage under both those seats. Here in the cockpit area, on the back lounger, there's a fully insulated cooler. Has a drain at the bottom, so all your water and ice will drain right out. It's powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. Here at the helm, you have all your controls, your RPM, your tack, trim, depth gauge, all the above, and you have a Fusion head unit. This boat comes with courtesy lighting. My name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check us out today.